Surviving in the wild is difficult, but out here, all you have to be afraid of are pranks. Why is Miss Smith sneaking around? She wants to leave a giant Yeti footprint and prank the girls. Outline a big Yeti foot on parchment paper. Apply a layer of hot glue. And color it with acrylic paint. Take the print off parchment paper. Like this! A footprint in the mud is perfect! Ah! A snowman! Oh no! We finally stop! Work, girls! Set up the tent! Unfortunately, we're not alone here. Every mosquito in the world is here too. Aha! They're biting me! Calm down. Miss Smith knows a tried and tested method. Cover dried cloves and a spoonful of vanilla sugar with hot water. Let it sit for half an hour. Pour it into a small bottle. Apply the liquid onto your skin. It turns out that mosquitoes hate this pleasant scent, so they will stay away from us. And what about Miss Smith? She has another insect repellent. Sew a bag out of mesh fabric. Turn it right side out. Mix equal amounts of dried herbs. You need sage, chamomile, and marigold. Put them into the bag and sew it shut. This herb sachet will scare all the mosquitoes away. The fire went out! What about our marshmallows? Let's make a portable campfire out of what we have. We can light up a marker or a crayon. An alcohol-based marker burns very well, even better than a wax crayon. But Miss Smith obeys fire safety rules. This life hack is too dangerous. What tasty and healthy dish can you cook on a grill? Oatmeal and apples. Cut the tops off apples. Remove the core. Put in oats. Add a piece of brown sugar and raisins. Cover it with the top and wrap it in foil. Oh, it's hot! The smell is amazing! The oatmeal is soaked with apple juice. Yummy! Miss Smith has a secret recipe. It's a fried egg in a tomato. Cut the top off a big tomato. Scoop out the flesh. Put in a raw egg. Add salt and pepper. Sprinkle with chopped herbs. Cover it with the top and wrap it in foil. You can also cook an egg in a large potato. Put the veggies into a campfire and your dish is done. Here is my gorgeous lunch. This camping meal is better than any restaurant. Tea time! Ew, it's bitter. Here, take some sugar. Paint ants on pieces of sugar using black food coloring. Put the pieces back into the box. Ah! Ants! How disgusting! Run! Another boring lecture about berries? Let's try our poisonous berries and prank Miss Smith while we're at it. Need chewing candies. Add blue food coloring. And make little balls. Copy the shape of poisonous berries. Put the berries onto thin wire. What are you doing? Spit it out immediately! Call an ambulance! Calm down, Miss Smith. Our berries are made out of candy. Time to snack. We only have one pot, but we want different things. What should we do? Put food into a Ziploc bag and poke tiny holes. Everyone prefers different food: buckwheat, oatmeal, or an omelet. You can easily cook whatever you want in one pot when you have Ziploc bags. Bon appetit! Protecting yourself from the sun is super important. Miss Smith is a teacher even when she's camping. Nothing is better than Elmer's glue. Pour the sunscreen into the empty glue bottle. What's wrong? Did Miss Smith get sunstroke? Here's the real sunscreen. Oh my goodness! It's a sticky trap! Help! We love camping and hiking. Our favorite part is when we get to rest. What? You don't like this spot either? Oh, we're exhausted. Miss Smith always has protein bars with her, so she can snack and get a boost of energy when she's on her way. Cover dried apricots with hot water and some raisins. Cut the dried apricots into small pieces and put them into oats. Add the raisins and chopped dates. Mix all the dried fruits with the oats. Crumble walnuts and hazelnuts. Put them into the mixture. Add honey. Stir it. Cover the mixture with plastic wrap. Roll it out and dry it on parchment paper in an oven for 40 minutes at 230 degrees Fahrenheit. Cut bars out of the ready piece. Wrap them in foil. Not bad. It's tasty and delicious. We're full of energy and ready to go. It looks like we're lost. We have a trick for everyone who doesn't know the way back. Fill a lid with water. Rub a needle on synthetic fabric. Put a leaf onto water and place the needle on top. The point of the needle shows the direction. Our homemade compass worked. Now we know for sure where we need to go. Did you like our camping life hacks and pranks? Then let us know in the comments which one you would use to survive in a forest and prank your friend. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new useful life hacks and fun pranks on Troom Troom.